Hello everyone. This is recorded on the 29th of June 2025, 10:35 p.m. So this is a Sunday night. I'm going to talk about what is the market updates for this week. What has happened, and let's see how it will go for the Dow Jones, the Bitcoin, and also we can talk about something else like Hang Seng maybe, um, or we can talk about the more popular gold. So let's talk about Dow Jones for now. This is the weekly chart. Dow Jones, as I said, that it will have some kind of bounce when it's near this moving average, which it did. It has bounced for few months. It has right now slowing down, as you can see that in the past week due to political and military issues, it has somehow appeared that there is a big wick on top. Means that it reached up and then selling has pushed it down and then it goes back up again. So is this a good thing? It may not be a good thing. In fact, let's put a parallel line here. If you put a parallel line here, you can see that there is a chance that pull back once it touches the top part of this parallel line, maybe around here. So this week or maybe next week, it will have some kind of pullback, maybe to here, because as long as this parallel line is still this channel is still intact, it might go like this. So it is just a estimation how it might perform in next coming weeks. So as you can see here, if you are a channel user, like this kind of channel using, you will see that it has touched here somehow. Will it consolidate for 1 or 2 weeks and then maybe pull back down? It's possible. It's possible. So be aware that do not try to buy in somewhere around here. As you can see, that is already on the top part of the channel. So the risk is quite high because it has been on the run up since for the past few months, from the low of 37,000 plus to all the way up to 43,000. That's a lot. So if you followed me for the past few months, you will have entered somewhere around here when the momentum slows down, and then ride it all the way up here, and then start selling when it's touching this place, because the momentum slows down significantly. You see, all the candles are big, and then it gets smaller and smaller. So this week expect to be a smaller candle, and then it might crash down. So be aware, do not try to buy the Dow Jones at this point. So let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart shows that the Dow Jones has some strength here. You can see that it is supported by this moving average, which is a good thing. And then it appears to be breaking out from this resistance to the area. So if it breaks out and retests this area, maybe, and then it come back down, it might be doing this scenario, or maybe this is just a fake breakout. It might just be a fake breakout here, because this another resistance zone somewhere around here. So, okay, this area is a very strong resistance zone. It might just go up here and then crash down again. This is also a possibility. So do not try to chase this stock. I mean this index. If you try to buy any of the index funds, be aware it might not look too rosy. You can see that this is a 30-minute chart. It is already having some kind of pullbacks, despite the Friday's 4 plus gain. So it might cut short the move upwards. because it is already quite far away from this moving average line in 30 minutes. So it should have a significant pullback soon. See, in this hourly, you can see that the momentum has already slowed down to very, very weak in the hourly chart. So after this run up here, expect some kind of pullback. A pullback should be maybe to here, I think. If it significant support is here about for the 3000, so it's about 800 point drop if it reaches here. So we won't be sure whether it will reach here, but just be aware, do not try to buy into the market at this area. It's dangerous. So let's check out the next one, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, let's check out the weekly chart first. It's not looking good. If you check out my previous video, I mentioned that Bitcoin is going to fall, and it did. It did. So the momentum goes up from here to here. You can see the momentum slows down. So when it hits this resistance area, the momentum is near collapse. So there's no more momentum, and the first red candle has appeared. Although the body is still small, expect some kind of move downwards soon. So if you're planning to buy Bitcoin here, be aware that the risk you're taking. And if you plan to take profit, do take them now. It's not worth waiting because it might just drop all the way down here again. So there's a 20,000-30,000 drop. It might be. We're not sure. So just be aware that the momentum has slowed and it will fall down. So let's check out the daily chart for Bitcoin. You can see it shows the weakness already, all the lower highs and lower lows. So it's priming itself for a collapse down. This will retest here. The first support is here. If it breaks down, expect it to go down up to here. So be aware of this one. Let's check out the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart shows that there is weakness already. So although the market has gone up a little bit, about $600, it will collapse soon. So expect it to break this and retest this in the immediate term. So do not try to buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, because when Bitcoin comes down, everything comes down. So do not try to buy any others. Just wait it out. Let's see, 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes shows already a pullback. So yeah, Bitcoin do not buy. Just now the Dow Jones. So be careful. So next one, let's check out this gold. Perhaps we should check the Nikkei first. Nikkei, maybe the Hang Seng first. Nikkei market, okay, weekly chart shows that it's still strong, but resistance level is here. It's already at resistance area, so be careful. Do not buy here. Wait for it to pull back, maybe down to here before entering the market. So yeah, weekly chart shows that it is already quite exhausted trend upwards. As you can see, it has been ongoing for past few months, just like the Dow. So it's now entering into the resistance cloud area. So it will pull back soon. So the Nikkei is also the same thing. So a few major markets shows that it is at weakness. It will come down soon. Something might happen, I think, or going to happen. So this is the Hang Seng. You can see the Hang Seng is also having some kind of weakness here. Momentum is slowing down. It will have some kind of pullback. And the Hang Seng has shown that it has, despite all the previous higher highs, it is now creating a lower high. So be careful. Hang Seng is also not looking too good. It might just break below here. This will become the neckline, double top, break neckline, retest this one. So yeah, Hang Seng, all the major indexes is not looking too good. So be careful. Let's see gold. Okay, gold is also the same thing. You can check out my previous video about gold. I did mention about gold going to about to be top for the moment. You can see all these candles with long wicks. All this shows that there's a lot of distribution, a lot of selling. Although the push upwards here is still strong at this point, but then after it reached here, it is somehow sellers is outselling the buyers. That explains all these long wicks and a small momentum, and the body is getting smaller. So now the first red candle has appeared. Expect some kind of pullback. How far is the pullback? Let's try to use something that people like to use normally. Okay, should we use? Oh, perhaps we should use this one. Oh, never mind. You can use this one. Hypothetically, whenever you can see prices break above the channel, expect some kind of serious pullback in the immediate term. So right here, it should come down all the way to 2981. So it should come down to here because it has broken above this upward channel. Weak point, come back down here. Then after consolidate or something, it might go back up because the moving average is still pointing upward, so it's still looking good for gold. Although you shouldn't be entering here, just like the rest of the one that I've analyzed. This is a telltale sign that it has stopped. Do not try to enter gold here. Let's check out the daily chart for gold. Yeah, you can see here when it has a top here, you see, shows that this is a very strong resistance area. Every time it touches here, it just pull back. So if it breaks this one, this immediate support, it might just go like this and then break down below here. Retest this one, which is the strongest support for the daily chart. So it's around 3,000 points. So be aware, do not try to enter because $200 drop is a very, very hurtful. Do not try to enter. Okay, okay. The hourly chart shows that gold might have a very small rebound because it has quite far away from, it has fallen quite far away from this moving average. Make a small support here. So it may have some kind of bounce upward here, retest this area, and then come back down again. So if you're trying to short sales gold, it is a good entry. Or anything that touches here is a good entry. These areas. So just wait for it to go up here. Remember that always trade with this trend line. I mean this moving average line, because it's pointing downwards. So you should be shorting the market and not try to buy here. Wait for pull upwards here, maybe. And then when you see that the sign like this kind, momentum slows down, candles, all the wicks are getting longer. And then when it starts going down and you see the first red candle, or you're just a daredevil that buys in before the red candle, expect it to go back downwards. Set your stop loss here or somewhere around here, nearer. It depends on your risk ratio. So I can't say the exact area for you because everyone has different risks to their portfolio. So just be aware that it might not work this way. It might charge upwards or anything. Things can happen without your you can't grasp the market all the time. It will have some kind of special thing thrown at you. So be aware that it might happen this way or it might not. So make sure you have your stop loss just in case it doesn't. It is highly possible that it will. So remember that. So let's check out the Forex. Dollar yen. This is another one that I've mentioned before. This is a very strong support area. Previously, I mentioned. You can see every time it touches this one, bounce, touches this one, bounce, touches this one, bounce. And now it touches here again. And this time is a special case. See, this moving average also is here. So this area is a very strong support area. If this one bounces upward, expect to be somewhere around here. If it fails to bounce, if it goes up here and then crash down here, the dollar will be in trouble for now because it's weekly chart. So it might go down further, all the way down. This is the dollar yen. So it might go down further and the yen is strengthening. So the only thing that causes yen to strengthen is something big happening in the market. Maybe a war or something. As you can see, almost all the index shows that is exhausted and most likely to have a reversal. So expect yen to strengthen, in my opinion, because you can see here almost every time it touches this area, it won't last too long here before a bounce happens. You can see it touches here and it bounces, touches here and it bounces. It doesn't wait too long here, but this changes. You can see it waited here for a very long time, 2 months at least, before a small bounce going upwards. For now, the prices is above the moving average, the small moving average, which is a good thing. But expect to have some kind of special thing happening. It might just hit this area and then break down. Then you will have a high, a lower high, and then a lower high. So if it breaks here and then breaks down, expect a total reversal of the dollar versus the yen. Yen will strengthen. So we're not sure where it will go as usual. Just keep an eye on it. The possible scenarios that might happen. If you're trading dollar yen, be careful. As also, it might just peter out here and then collapse. Also, see this one? It might just go up here and then crash down. It might happen this way also. I've seen it before and it will happen again. Let's check out the daily chart for this. Yeah, here see, daily chart appears to be resisted here, so it might break down. Hourly, yeah, see, hourly is also the same. So daily chart is below this one. So all the shorter time frame is quite negative. Don't count too much on this being a strong upward trend. Expect some kind of pullbacks. So dollar yen is not that good either. So be careful. Let's check out. Okay. Aussie dollar, US dollar, maybe. Oh, there's nothing to write home about Aussie dollar. It has been on a downtrend for ages. From since 2021 all the way down here, it's still going downwards. So it's nothing to write about Aussie dollar. Expect some kind of pullback downwards as well. So if this is a weekly chart and you trade this Forex, expect some kind of move downwards when the red candles appear. So you should be shorting this one. Let's check out the daily chart. Yeah, expect some kind of move upwards in the short term. So any short term upwards, and you can short sell it because the weekly chart shows it is going downwards in the longer term. You should make money. So this one, daily chart appears to be going upwards, but then since the weekly chart is negative, expect some kind of resistance area, maybe here, touches here and then crash down. it might happen. So be careful of this one also. Okay, let's see Tesla. Well, people have been talking about Tesla, that how it has gone from here to here. I did nail this one previously in my videos. You can check out my older videos. Whenever it touches here, it will have a bounce. It does have a bounce here, which is quite good, from 200 plus. Yeah, 200 plus all the way up to 300 plus, which is a very strong move upwards in less than 3 months time. So for now, if you look at the momentum here, the momentum is slowing down, extremely slowing down. You can see all the candles are very small, the wicks are very long, so there's a lot of selling pressure in this area. Expect some kind of move downwards back to retest this moving average line. So let's check out the daily chart. For Tesla, you can see here, this is a double top, goes down here, goes back up here, but lose momentum. This is a resistant area, so it should come back down and retest this one. So $300 is a very important point to look at, whether it will crash and break this area. If it breaks, you expect it to go all the way down to this area again. So Elon might not be the highest paid, highest richest man anymore if this goes down. Let's see Google. Yeah, let's see Google whether it will outperform Tesla. Yeah, it's not going to outperform Tesla. And see here, after it has made some kind of move up here from here, momentum slows down here, so expect some kind of move downwards. Retest this moving average line. Another way to check out whether this uptrend is still very strong, just look at how far each time the prices bounce from the distance from this moving average line. You can see here, the first bounce is quite strong. The second bounce is away from this line also. This one and this one is still very nice. It's far away from this line. So this one, something changed. It has gone very, very near to nearly touching this moving average line. So what happened here? There's a lot of significant selling here. You can see all the price being pushed down, and then a bounce upwards, and this momentum is slowing down as well. So expect some kind of retest or maybe even break below this one, because you can see this is something changed here. Someone has been selling a lot, so be careful of this one also. Okay, I think that should be it. Not try to make this video too long. Do check out my older videos and subscribe. Thank you.